Good day everyone, this is the undecided code group 4 for the Arduino project. Here are the members. I am Juvan Macvilti.Dayo, the system analyst. Next.
My name is Joven El Sarmiento.
And Ansa Roland C.
And Joseph Ken Peterizo.
This is the Arduino project of group 4. Then.
So our third project is traffic light.
With more LED lights, resistors, pin wires, and the added button. And here is the code for the third project. The first few lines of code, const int, are for the declaration of variables for the connection of wires used in the Arduino, while the void setup is for the pins on the breadboard. The void loop is the input used or the data transferred from the wires to the breadboard so that the blinking lights are correct.